Hello guys, review Redmi Note 15, this version 8GB RAM and 256GB storage. Open box, look completion. In completion we have device, on the back side double camera LED and this fake camera. Okay, on this we have only protected film for transportation. We have 6000 mAh battery, IP64 dust and water resistant, 108 megapixel camera, MediaTek Helio G100 Ultra CPU, 677-inch display, Full HD plus AMOLED display. Okay, open settings. HyperOS version 2.0.2. Power button, volume buttons on the right side, on the left side without controls, downside Type-C port, speaker, microphone and slot for SIM card. Okay, open settings, about phone, Android 15. Open Geekbench 6, look CPU test results. We have GPU Mali G57. Single core score, multi-core score results and GPU test results. Look AnTuTu benchmark results, AnTuTu benchmark, close this, and run PUBG Mobile, look how this game works on the device. Okay, game load, and load on the very high graphic level and works good, without lags and glitches. Good gameplay. Okay, close this. And now I'll show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.